Welcome to MixMaster's Bar and Beverage, where we make craft cocktails. It's wintertime. It's nothing cozier than a hot buttered rum. When was the last time you had a hot buttered rum? This was a drink that my grandparents used to make, but I've learned how to make it. It's really easy. Of course, you're gonna take a little spiced butter. You're gonna spice it up with some clove, a little cinnamon, and some honey. Get a couple teaspoons of that and drop it in your glass. Okay? Top it off with 1.5 ounces of, I got black spice rum, but any spice rum will do. They're cracking. Me and my cousin discovered this in San Diego. That's another story. So 1.5 ounces of that. Mix up your concoction. Then all you got to do is top it off with a little hot water. So you got that hot, you got your butter, and you got your rum. Otherwise known as hot buttered rum. Stir it up, let that butter melt in there. I'm gonna top mine off with a little dollop of cream. Yeah. All right. And a little cinnamon, just to give it a little taste. Oh, that's a cozy winter drink. There you have hot buttered rum.